Hello, my viewers, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is Mukesh Kumar from Youngster Dev, and in the previous video, I have covered the topic Introduction to Source Language, wherein I have discussed about how to declare variables, what is type notation, what are the strings available in source language, what is dictionary, array. Now, this is the third episode, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to declare a variable in Playground. We have a platform in the Xcode where we can write the code and test immediately without running it. So this is the part of Xcode. We need not to install from another software. Just click Xcode, and here you can see get started with the playground. Tap on this and you can have iOS template and blank file. Just click on next and you can choose the path where you want to save. Let's say in my case I am choosing documents, my playground, create. So this is our playground, and this is by default. Two lines are written. First is import UI kit. We will discuss about the kit or the frameworks. Let's discuss about how to declare a variable or a constant. You can use var keyword to declare a variable, and then string name. Let's say I'm taking my str equals to some value. Let's say hello Swift, right? And from here you can press this button and see the output on this immediately. And if you are printing some values, then that will be shown at the bottom, right? So as you can see, hello Swift is stored in my variable, and variable name is mystring. And I have another way also in which I need to define its type, like mystr1, and type of string value equals to hi. So this is also another way. Just run it and you can check it. Right now we will see constants. For constants we use let keyword, and let's say in the name I'm taking mystr2 and giving some value like this is Swift, right? But in the next line what I'm going to do is I'm changing its value, right? Let's say Swift. So when I run this, I cannot do this because let is constant. So whatever I'm doing in this line, I'm changing the value. So this is not constant. That's why the error is coming cannot assign to a value. My str2 is a let constant, right? So this can't be done. So I need to delete this line. And now let's see how we can declare an empty variable, whether it is variable or a constant. So where is the keyword, and my str3 equals to double quotes. So this is enough to declare an empty variable. And if you want to give its notation, like its type, so you can give as this way, right? So this is about string variables, and let's have a look for array, where my arr equals to square brackets and some values, let's say abc, xyz, pqr. You can have number of items on it. So this is enough to declare a variable consisting some values of the same type. Same type means these all values should have same type, like all types are string type, right? I mean you cannot give like my array1 equals to, first is integer value, then is string value, and then some floating value, like so. This is not good, not compatible, right? So this error will be shown if you do this. So I need to change this. You can also do this, but you need to specify its type. Like we have any a type, it can be of any type. So by specifying this within the square brackets, because this is an array, so we can have this and we can also run this. There is no problem, right? So just move to how we can declare empty array. In empty array case, I can do like this, right? But it is not good because I am not confirmed that which type it will consist. So I need to define its type, like all values in this empty array will consist only string values, or you can also specify like any if there is a heterogeneous say literals, right? Let's move to dictionary, where my det equals to, hope you remember in the previous video I have discussed about this dictionary, a key value pair. So this will be my key, after colon this will be my value. So I can name it as key 1, key 2, value 1. So this is one pair, after comma second pair, and so on, right? And if we want to specify some type, like my key will always be of type string, and my value can be anything, like a string, a floating value, an integer value, an array, again a dictionary, it can be anything. So I will specify any object. This way I can define. I need to change the name. Yeah, duplicate values in first. Sorry, I need to change this key 2 and value 2 and key 3 value 3. I was sick, sorry. And in the next also key 1, it can be anything, but key should be different, like so. If I run this now, all will be good. Here we go. So now we can also check how can we declare dictionary, empty dictionary. My det2 equals to, like so. No, this is not enough. I need to specify its type here also, like string and any. You can also give string if both the values are a string, right? This way. And then you can also initialize some value in this empty dictionary by doing so. A means capital A and small b means capital B, like so. So both the values are of type string. This way we can do it, right? Now strings in deep. See, basically when we work with major projects, so we need to get some strings from the API or some paragraph, or we need to trim some string, substring. We should know about the strings, or how can we trim a particular length. So we should know about this. So first of all, I will discuss about string properties, right? Properties like, let's say my str is already here, right? So first count, I can count the characters, number of characters in a string, right? So when I run this, so in my str, how many characters are there? 5 space 6 and 5, 11. So this is 11, right? Next we have my string dot uppercase. What this property will do, this will convert your all characters into capital letters, like so, as you can see here. And same we have lowercase. What this will do, of course, this will change to small letters. And now we have capitalized also. This property will capitalize, means all first letter of the words will be capital, right? Or we have has prefix. Has prefix means right. Next we have has suffix. Has suffix. Here I can test with capital S. It should return false. Yes. And if I write T, it will return true. Yeah. So these are the basic properties that we should know about it, right? So one thing I also have, what is string interpolation. See, in some cases you need to print like some fixed strings and the value from a string or from a variable. So in that case, what you will do, like you are printing some values and you are printing my str variable, right? Let's run it and see the output, because we are printing, so it will shown here as well, but in this also, right? And now I want some fixed string. So in that case, what I will do, I'm just deleting this, put the double quotes, just enter your string, like here is my result, and here you want the value of particular variable, so you need to put backslash and parenthesis, like so, and here you can type your variable name, whether it's a string, dictionary, anything, right? So when I run this, let's see how it will show. Here is my result, hello Swift. It's great. We have studied string properties. So I hope the string topic is very clear to you and you have learned a lot from this video. So I'll come back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Shapa khair.
Wherever I go, wherever I see, I'll remember you. If you remember